Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Sewing Something. Here in this tutorial I'm going to show you my sewing room, how I have it organized, how it's set up, the different items that I purchased for really cheap, and this can help you get some ideas of how to do your sewing room on a friendly budget. So let's get started. Alright, so you guys can see the room in its entirety. It's not a big room, but it's practical and it gets the job done. So let's start with the file cabinet. I bought this file cabinet from the thrift store for about $15, and inside my file cabinet I have a bunch of patterns in there. On top of my file cabinet is a picture of my grandparents. They're no longer here with us anymore, but they are able to sit back and watch me sew and make my creations come to life. They enjoy that. Here I have a stand. I purchased this stand off of Craigslist for about $30. And whatever project that I'm working on and I haven't quite finished, and in between projects, I hang it on my dress stand so I can be reminded of what I need to do and see how it looks. I add a little bit of duct tape on my dress stand to make it my size and my measurement to be more realistic to my body. Here I have a little wall art, not much. This is the only picture I have on the wall, and that's a picture of my family. Down here, I have a 3-drawer plastic tote that I got from Walmart for about $20. And inside are projects that I'm working on that I haven't completed, and a bunch of my notions and stuff. So, for example, I started sewing a project and I just kind of put it in here to keep everything together. It's really junky. There's nothing fabulous about that drawer, but it stores a lot of my stuff. Here, I think everybody needs in their sewing room is a power cord. So I have a power outlet that has a bunch of outlets in it, and it makes life easier. Alright, moving along. This is where I actually sew at my sewing table. I got this sewing table from IKEA for about 50 bucks with the legs. I have a lamp so when it's nighttime I can see. As you see, I only have one window in this room and it gets dark kind of fast. So as far as sewing machines that I utilize, I get this question a lot. I use the Singer Confidence. I think this is a 7470. It has 225 stitches. Do I like this machine? No, I don't like it. It's not what I thought it would be. However, it gets the job done, and that's the machine that I sew on daily. Right here I have another Singer, and this is a finishing touch, and basically this is your serger when you want to finish your garments. Do I like this Singer? No, but it works better than the sewing machine. I don't like it because you have to keep rethreading it a lot. It gets jammed up a lot. This machine takes extra stitches and stuff. It's just been a lot of problems with both of these machines. So, but that's what I sew on a daily basis, and that's what I have right now. I do have a Brother machine, but it's not as modern as the Singer. So, all right, here in that plastic bin, I have a bunch of fabric in the bin. I have my yardstick over there, and I have my rotary boards hanging up. I have my scissors hanging up, iron thread. This shelving right here, I got this also from IKEA. And it was about 20 bucks. Another plastic container from Walmart that I have, that was another 20 bucks. I had it for a while. In the corner, I have my ironing board, a small table size ironing board. And that's pretty much it of my sewing room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing fancy, but I have carpet too. It's modern enough for me, and I can do all my work, all my magic can happen in this room, and I don't have to worry about cleaning it up if I don't feel like it. One more thing I want to mention is that I have these bins right here that I purchased from the dollar store. I put my thread in it and a bunch of notions. I have a bunch of needles and different things that I may be working on, elastic, different projects. Here I have my washers. I like to put them up top so I can grab it. I have my ruler, my tape right there. So that's pretty much, in a nutshell, my sewing room. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas off of it. Please like, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.